Hello, good afternoon. I'm Dr. Vaishali Sharma, consultant gynecologist, laparoscopic surgeon, and infertility specialist at Milan Fertility Center, New Delhi. Today, we are going to talk about recurrent IVF failures. So, next, if we talk about one is diet, again, recounted diet, stress, exercise, uh, alcohol, smoking. Similarly, the one more thing that we can do is try to avail or go for an IVF cycle at a younger age. Don't delay it further. What happens many a times a couple is coming to us, they have been facing this problem for such a quite long time, but they just keep on pushing it. Oh, we will avail it later, we will avail it later. Let us try naturally, let us try this therapy, let us try that type of medicine for natural conception. I'm telling you, all those things are actually taking the actual window of opportunity that we have when we can get good quality eggs. Because age is a very important factor if we come to what is the quality of the egg. As we all know, a girl is born with a fixed number of eggs, and as she becomes older or her age advances from 20s to 30s to 40s, there is a steep decline in the number of the eggs as well as the quality of the eggs. So, if you have been trying for a pregnancy for 1 year and if your age is more than 35 and you have been trying for a pregnancy for more than 6 months, then I would say don't waste any time further. Visit a nearby gynecologist, visit a fertility doctor. Don't waste your time because you may be losing the good window of opportunity of having good quality eggs. So, these important things, if you keep in your mind, it helps us also in having good quality eggs. If your doctor has told you that you have to go for an IVF cycle, try to make these changes in your lifestyle. Again, I'll recount it. One is good diet. Try to take good amount of fruits, dry fruits, vegetables. These are natural sources of antioxidants and multivitamins, which in turn will help in improving the quality of the eggs. Second, try to reduce stress in your diet and your lifestyle. What howsoever you can do it by yoga, meditation, exercise, doing some taking out some time for your hobby. Whatever is good for you, just do that so that the stress all around you is reduced. Whatever you can. Then third is the exercise daily, maybe 20 to 15 to 20 minutes of exercise daily can also prove very beneficial in improving the quality of the eggs. Then fourth, avoiding smoking and alcohol. And fifth is take a decision of going to a fertility doctor without wasting any precious time. Okay, so this was about the eggs. Now we will come to why there are recurrent IVF failures, which can be because of the sperms. Similarly, sperms are an important part of the male body. So the same way the eggs are being hampered or being affected by the changes in the diet and the lifestyle. Similarly, all these things they also hamper the quality of the sperms in males. And as we all know, smoking and alcohol is more common in males. So these things they have more negative effect on the males sperms. So that when we are trying to make embryos, we are not able to get good quality embryos. Again, the grade of the embryo which we get may become B or C. We always aspire to get A grade blastocyst, that is day 5 embryo. We always try to get A grade embryo. But when we are trying to get the sperm to fertilize the egg, we are not able to get it sometimes. And majority of the times, the reason is some problem in the sperms. They have some oxidative stress within them, or some problem in their morphology, or DNA fragmentation. All these things they avoid, or they have a very negative effect on the formation of good quality embryo. So, if we talk about males specifically, they definitely have to give an important uh, direction, or they have to take an important this thing that yeah, they have to avoid alcohol, they have to avoid smoking till the time they are going for an IVF cycle. This will definitely have a very negative effect on the quality of the embryo which that we will get at the end of the cycle. So again, the same diet as is it is important for the females, it is equally important for the males to have a very good diet. Take high amount of fruits in your diet, dry fruits, salads, all these things. I'm repeating it again. All the natural things, they have very high good amount of antioxidants and multivitamins in them. All these are needed for the normal development of the sperms and in turn lead to good grade of the embryos when we do it in IVF cycle. So diet, again the lifestyle changes, try to reduce the stress all around you. It may be related to your work, it may be related to your family, but whatever it is, if you have decided to go for an IVF cycle, try to keep yourself calm and try to maintain peace and try to have reduce or minimize the stress in all around you as much as you can. Again, the third is some exercise. Definitely, it is equally important for males also if they are going for an IVF cycle, as there's some amount of exercise is important for females, it is equally important for the males. Again, just 15 to 20 minutes of brisk walking or cycling or running or whatever they feel comfortable about it, they should do that because this amount, only 15 minutes of brisk walking, will generate such chemicals in your body, which will reduce stress in your body, which will definitely improve the formation of the sperms in your body, and in turn, it will lead to formation of good quality embryos.
मेरा नाम अंशु है। मेरी शादी के 12 साल हो गए थे। मैंने बहुत जगह ट्रीटमेंट कराया, मुझे किसी तरह का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं हुआ और मैंने डॉक्टर वैशाली के पास आई और मैं 1 से 2 बार ही मैम के पास विज़िट करी थी। तीसरे चौथे बार में मुझे रिज़ल्ट मिल गया और मुझे मैम के पास आके बहुत अच्छा लगा और मैं अभी काफ़ी बहुत खुश हूँ। मतलब बहुत खुश हूँ, बता नहीं सकती मैं कितनी खुश हूँ। और मैम के पास आए, मुझे ज़्यादा कुछ खर्च भी नहीं हुआ, एकदम नॉर्मल सा प्रोसीजर में मेरा नॉर्मल सा प्रोसीजर आईयूआई हुआ था। फर्स्ट ही बार में मेरा सक्सेस हो गया और मैं अभी फिलहाल 4 मंथ की प्रेग्नेंट हूँ। तो मैं मैम के बारे में क्या कहूँ, जितना कहूँ उतना कम है। तो मैम बहुत अच्छी हैं और मैम के बारे में जितना ज़्यादा कहूँ उतना ही कम है। थैंक यू डॉक्टर वैशाली।
You can leave your queries in the comment section. We will be really happy to help you out. Thank you.